Hello, guys. Hope we are all doing well. Hope the day is going on well, fine, and wonderful. In today's tutorial or video, we are coming to look on how to request a ride on Uber. Requesting a ride on Uber is one of the easiest things to do. You first of all locate your Uber app, the passengers one, of course. So when you tap on it, it will bring you to the homepage of Uber where you can see get out and about. Over there, you can see ride, package, or reserve. So you can either request a ride, send a package, or reserve a ride for future. So let's first of all look at how we can request a ride. So you can either type on the ride and the map will pick your location automatically. You enter where you are going to. You can make it Medina. So you can see Uber X is charging 94. Uber X Priority is charging 99. Package is charging 96. With the economy, Uber Share is charging 89. Uber X Priority is charging 99 and package is charging 96. So what you have to do is to confirm Uber X. So you choose the class or the category of service you want. Then you confirm the ride. So you tap on confirm X. Since the map has already picked your location, you just tap on confirm pickup. So over there, you can see that they are connecting you to a driver, confirming your ride. Okay, we have gotten a ride. We have gotten a ride. So this is how we request ride on Uber. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to turn on the post notification sign. So anytime we upload a video, you get to know. Thanks once again.